K&M, kids and more. Time to play and explore, yay! Come along, it's time to see how amazing science can be. What a splash, this planet spin, a world of wonder, we're jumping in. Hey! Hey, 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 hey! Look around and ask us why. What makes rainbows fill the sky? Big adventures start today. Let's explore and learn and play.
Hello there, little explorers. I am so happy you're here today. Do you know why? Because today is not an ordinary day. Today, we are becoming scientists. Now, wait a minute. When you hear the word scientist, maybe you picture someone wearing a white coat with funny glasses and wild hair sticking up everywhere. Maybe they are mixing bubbling potions in a lab. Well, sometimes scientists do look like that. But guess what? You do not need a white coat to be a scientist. You do not need a giant laboratory. And you definitely do not need crazy hair. Do you know what you really need? You just need one tiny little word. Why? Every time you ask, why is the sky blue? Why do birds fly? Why does ice melt? Why do I sneeze? Why do stars twinkle? You are already thinking like a scientist. Science is all about being curious. Science is asking questions. Science is exploring the world around us. And today, we are going on a huge science adventure together. Chapter 1: The Magic of Water. Drip, drop, splish, splash. Water is everywhere. We drink water. We wash with water. We swim in water. Fish live in water. Rain comes from water. Even your body has lots and lots of water inside it. But did you know something amazing? Water can change into 3 different forms. That's right! Water is like a superhero that changes costumes. Let's meet the 3 versions of water. 1. Ice, the cold one. Imagine you pour water into an ice tray. Then you place it inside the freezer. Brrr! The freezer is very cold. The tiny little pieces inside water are called molecules. When water gets cold, the molecules slow down. They huddle close together like penguins staying warm in the snow. And then, freeze! The water turns into ice. Ice is hard. Ice is solid. You can hold it in your hand. You can slide on it. You can put it in your juice. But if you hold it too long, ooh, cold! That's because ice is frozen water. 2. Liquid water, the splashy one. Now, let's take the ice cube out of the freezer. What happens? Slowly, drip, drip, drip. It melts. The ice gets warmer. The tiny molecules start moving again. They slide around. Now the ice becomes liquid water. Liquid water does not stay in one shape. It changes shape depending on what you put it in. If you pour water into a tall cup, it becomes tall. If you pour it into a round bowl, it becomes round. If you spill it on the floor, uh-oh, Now it spreads everywhere. That's why liquid water is so splashy. 3. Steam, the invisible one. Now let's heat the water. Maybe in a kettle or a pot. The water gets hotter and hotter and hotter. The tiny molecules start zooming around super fast. They move so fast that they float into the air. Now the water turns into steam. Steam is a gas. Sometimes you can see it floating up from hot soup or hot tea. It looks like little clouds dancing in the air. So remember, ice is solid, water is liquid, steam is gas. 3 different forms, all from the same thing. Wow! Now, let's play a fun science game. Sink or float? Imagine you have a big bowl of water. You put in a rock. What happens? It sinks. Now you put in a rubber duck. What happens? Boing! It floats. But why? Well, some things are heavier than water. Those things sink. Some things are lighter than water. Those things float. Big ships can float because they are filled with lots of air inside. Even though ships are huge, the air helps keep them floating on top of the water. Science is amazing. Chapter 2: The Invisible Air. Take a deep breath. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. What did you just breathe? Air. Can you see air? Nope. Can you hold air in your hand? Nope. But air is everywhere. It is all around you right now. Air fills your room. Air fills balloons. Air moves trees. Air helps birds fly. Even though air is invisible, it is very powerful. Have you ever blown up a balloon? You puff air inside. The balloon gets bigger and bigger and bigger. That's because the air pushes against the balloon walls. Now, imagine you let go of the balloon before tying it. The balloon zooms around the room like a silly rocket. That happens because the air rushes out super fast. Air likes to move around. Sometimes air moves gently. That's called a breeze. It feels nice on a hot day. Sometimes air moves very fast. That's called wind. Wind can blow leaves. Wind can fly kites. Wind can even move giant sailboats across the ocean. The moving air pushes things around. Invisible air can be very strong. Have you ever watched birds flying in the sky? Birds use their wings to push air down. Then the air pushes the birds up. It's almost like the air is helping hold them up. Airplanes work in a similar way too. That's why planes can fly high in the sky. Amazing. Chapter 3: The Secret Life of Plants. Plants are very special. Trees, flowers, grass, bushes. They may look quiet, but plants are super busy. Do you know what plants do all day? They make food from sunlight. Yes, really! Plants use sunlight, water, and air to make their own food. That is called photosynthesis. That is a very big word. Can you say it? Photo, syn, the, sis. Great job. Plants use their roots like tiny straws. The roots suck up water from the soil. Then the water travels through the plant, all the way up to the leaves. Plants love sunshine. Leaves catch sunlight. The sunlight gives plants energy. Chapter 4: The Rainbow Mystery. Who loves rainbows? Rainbows are beautiful. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. But where do rainbows come from? Well, sunlight is actually made from many colors hiding together. When sunlight passes through raindrops, the light bends. Then all the hidden colors spread out, and suddenly, rainbow! It's like sunlight is carrying secret colors inside it all the time. Why is the sky blue? Have you ever looked up and wondered, why is the sky blue? Sunlight travels through the air around Earth. Blue light bounces around more than the other colors. So the blue color spreads all across the sky. That's why the sky looks blue during the day. And at sunset, the sky can turn orange, pink, or red. So pretty. Chapter 5: Magnets, the sticky superstars. Magnets are so cool. Magnets can pull some things toward them without even touching. How amazing is that? Magnets love metal things like paper clips, fridges, nails, and some toys. But magnets do not stick to everything. They won't stick to wood, or plastic, or bananas. Silly magnet. Every magnet has two ends, a north side and a south side. Opposite sides like each other. They stick together. But if you try to push two north sides together, they push away. It feels like an invisible force field. So cool. Chapter 6: Gravity, the invisible pull. Jump up as high as you can. Ready? Jump. And what happens? You come right back down. Why? Because of gravity. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls things toward Earth. Without gravity, we would float away like astronauts in space. Wow, explorers! We learned so many amazing things today. We learned water can change shape, air is invisible but powerful, plants make oxygen, rainbows hide inside sunlight, magnets can pull things, and gravity keeps us on Earth. That is a lot of science. But do you know the most important thing of all? Science starts with curiosity. Science starts with asking questions. So never stop asking. Why? How? What happens if? Maybe one day you will discover something amazing. Maybe you will invent something new. Maybe you will become a scientist, an astronaut, an inventor, or an explorer. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So keep exploring, keep learning, keep imagining. And most importantly, keep asking why. Thank you for joining me on this science adventure today. I had so much fun learning with you. See you next time, little scientists. Bye-bye.
Come worry! More adventures are waiting for you!
But tap that subscribe button now!